been turning to Grace for information about my disease since 2008. Information is something that is an equalizer. It means that everybody has a better chance at asking for the care that they deserve and advocating for themselves. It's an incredibly valuable tool. Grace was one of the first sites that came up. This was something sort of remarkable, and the fact that it was free too, that, you know, it just, such an incredible resource. It's rare to find something online that is geared specifically toward the patient, that seeks to empower us by giving us more information, by respecting the fact that this is happening to us. I think a donation to Grace is equivalent to a little dose of hope for someone with a lung cancer diagnosis, and I can't imagine a better or more needed gift. During this holiday season, join me in making a donation to Grace.